UiPath Document Understanding. What is the main purpose of UiPath Document Understanding? So this video helps you to understand what is the meaning of the document understanding. So as we have seen, in every organization there are so many departments like HR department, engineering department, payroll, and others as well. And there are so many employees who has worked in these departments and they are working on a repetitive task. Let's consider a example of the recruitment process. Okay, for example, if any organization wants to recruit some resources from the outside, so what they do, they just collect some data from the Naukri, you can say uh, Naukri website, or you can say Naukri portal. Yeah, and they just put their details in their own portal. Okay, again they schedule the interview and later they put the comments and other things. Okay, in short, they are doing the same process for each and every candidate. Okay, so they're basically working on the repetitive tasks. Okay, so while doing that, they have faced details in form of the structured document, semi-structured document, or unstructured document. So what do you mean by the structured documents? So structured documents contains a set of information where these formatting, numbers, and layouts are completely static from one document instance to the next. In short, these documents are the structured documents. They have their fixed format, they have their fixed conditions, or the fixed structured data. For example, claim forms, purchase order, and the contracts. It's little bit easy to handle this type of documents. Unstructured documents, so these documents are a free format documents. They do not have any structurized format, they do not have any proper standard, right? For example, like audio, video, images, so they don't have, they don't follow any standards on that, right? Then we have the semi-structured documents. So some documents have the fixed set of data but not fixed format for this data, right? So example, graphs, tables, or XMLs, right? So while doing all these recruitment processes, this team needs to handle the data like structured data, semi-structured data, or unstructured data. So it's very difficult to handle all these documents, right? Structured data, it's fine, so they handle this data, but for semi-structured or unstructured, it's very difficult to handle that. So to overcome this problem, so we have UiPath document understanding, right? It's help to automate the repetitive tasks which these guys or the resources or these employees are working for that, right? So UiPath document understanding helps to automate repetitive tasks. So this is combination of the artificial intelligence and the machine learning. So UiPath have their own component which is used as a collection of the artificial intelligence and the machine learning, right? It's very easy process. Once we learn that, it's very easy to handle any kind of data, right? Like semi-structured documents, structured documents, and the unstructured documents, right? So this is the main use of the UiPath document understanding. Okay, so thanks for watching for this video, and do subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.